I like to think that we're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel.
New business operating guidelines go into effect Monday in LA County after the county moved into the state's less restrictive orange COVID-19 tier last week. That means places of worship, movie theaters, and restaurants will be able to increase indoor services to 50% capacity.
Every seat counts for us. Every seat that we can occupy at our restaurant means a great deal for everyone, for our staff, for our servers.
Kevin Zadoyan, one of the owners of Tequila in Sherman Oaks, says it's been a difficult year for businesses, but like many business owners we talked to, he says the future looks bright.
That whole feeling of going back to normal dining indoors and being in a beautiful restaurant means a lot, I think, to everyone involved.
The manager at Petite Trois La Valley on Ventura tells us they have pulled through the pandemic thanks to staff creativity and the community's support. But they tell us tomorrow nothing will change for their restaurant.
Our tables need to be 8 feet apart indoors today, and they will also need to be 8 feet apart next week. So we won't be able to fit more tables inside.
The new guidelines also mean nail shops and other personal care services can open at 75% capacity. Green Nails owner Negan Anbarfam says she is excited.
I can see my customers, my employees, which obviously makes me super happy.
Tomorrow, gyms will also be open indoors at 25% capacity, and bars that don't serve food will also be able to open again outdoors only at limited hours. In Sherman Oaks, Hermela Argawi, KCAL 9 News.
Well, as of today, more than 165 million COVID-19 vaccines have been administered in the U.S., and nearly 62 million people are fully vaccinated.
In California, more than 19 million people have gotten at least one shot, and more than 6 million are now fully vaccinated. Well, despite all of that vaccine news, coronavirus cases are rising in 27 states and Washington, D.C.
Well, travel is one reason why the nation's airports this weekend reported a record number of flyers. This is a live look at LAX tonight, and Rick Montanez has the story.
Another weekend of record-breaking travel across the country. For 24 straight days, TSA reports screening more than 1 million air travelers. At LAX, we found people taking their first trip since the start of the pandemic.
Flying to LA was packed, and I felt kind of weird, like being really close to people.
As far as social distancing goes, it's still not quite there. But I did feel comfortable flying on the flight with masks and stuff like that.
All around the airport, signs of COVID safety protocol, the visual cues helping passengers feel at ease.
A couple more procedures you got to follow now, but still almost the same kind of system.
More people are booking flights, whether the urge to travel is fed by COVID fatigue or the comfort of knowing that, according to the CDC, more than 61 million Americans are fully vaccinated.
I felt safe and comfortable. It was good. The plane smelled really clean, disinfected.
President Joe Biden and Dr. Anthony Fauci taking this Easter Sunday to urge more people to get their shot.
We share the sentiments of Pope Francis, who has said that getting vaccinated is a moral obligation.
This is not going to last forever, because every day that you get 4 million, 3 million people vaccinated, you get closer and closer to control.
As for flights, passengers say everyone around them seems to be trying to do their part to make it to their destination COVID-free.
The people that work, in the airlines were really nice, so they understood what everybody was going through, so they kind of helped out.
As of tonight, LA County requires anyone arriving here from out of state or out of country to self-quarantine for 10 days. That could change starting tomorrow, when the county is expected to announce new travel guidance. This, of course, follows the CDC's recent announcement that people who are fully vaccinated can travel safely around the country. Reporting from LAX, Rick Montanez, KCAL 9 News.